Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how you can prevent certain people from seeing your date of birth on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update. If you value your privacy and want more control over who can access your personal information, this simple guide will help you set things up in just a few steps. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, look toward the top left corner of the screen where you'll find 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines to expand the main menu. From the menu that appears, go ahead and select Settings. Inside Settings, look for Privacy and Security and click on it. This is where you'll find all the tools that help you manage what information people can or cannot see about you. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Date of Birth. Click on it and you'll see different visibility levels. Select Everybody so the app recognizes that everyone is allowed to see your birthday by default. Don't worry, because in the next steps you'll be able to exclude specific users. Next, look for the section titled Never Allow. You'll notice an option next to it that says Add Users. Click on that and a list of your contacts will come up. From here, select the people you don't want to have access to your date of birth. Take your time choosing, and when you're done, click Save. Once you save your selection, Telegram will ask you to confirm the changes. Confirm the step, and that's it. You've successfully hidden your birth date from the users you've chosen, while everyone else will still be able to see it. This simple feature is a great way to control your privacy without having to turn off visibility for everyone. With these settings, you get the flexibility to decide exactly who can view your information and who cannot. And that's all it takes to protect your date of birth on Telegram for PC. With a few minutes and a couple of clicks, you've enhanced your privacy and taken control of your profile settings.